In this video, we listed the 6 best mini PCs for cosplay on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name GMTech M6 Mini PC. The GMTech M6 Mini PC is a compact yet powerful desktop computer designed for high performance in a small form factor. Equipped with an AMD Ryzen R7 6600H processor, which features 6 cores and 12 threads, it delivers substantial computing power suitable for multitasking, productivity, and light gaming. With 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, the M6 ensures fast and efficient data handling, while its 512 GB PCIe 3.0 SSD provides quick access to storage, offering fast boot times and ample space for applications and files. In terms of connectivity, the GMTech M6 supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring strong wireless networking and peripheral integration, making it well suited for modern workspaces or home offices. Despite its small size, this mini PC delivers performance comparable to larger desktops, making it an excellent choice for users looking for a powerful yet space-saving solution. Whether used for everyday tasks, media consumption, or professional workloads, the GMTech M6 Mini PC offers versatility and power in a highly compact package. Product 2. Product name XCY Firewall Appliance Mini PC. The XCY Firewall Appliance Mini PC is designed for network security applications, equipped with an Intel Celeron J4125 quad-core processor, offering efficient and reliable performance for managing network traffic. It features 2.5G LAN ports with Intel i225V network cards, making it highly suitable for use as a soft router or firewall in both small office and home network environments. The device is compatible with Sense and OPNsense, 2 popular open-source firewall software solutions that provide comprehensive network management and security features, including VPN, firewall filtering, and intrusion detection. Its compact form factor allows for seamless integration in network setups with limited space, and the quad-core processor ensures smooth multitasking and throughput, ideal for handling advanced network routing tasks without significant power consumption. Product 3. Product name GenMakin AMD Ryzen7 R7 7840HS Mini PC. The GenMakin AMD Ryzen7 R7 7840HS Mini PC is a compact and powerful desktop computer designed for both gaming and everyday computing. Equipped with the AMD Ryzen7 7840HS processor, this mini PC boasts 8 cores and 16 threads, making it suitable for multitasking and performance-heavy applications. The inclusion of DDR5 RAM with speeds up to 4800 MHz ensures fast data processing, enhancing the overall speed and responsiveness of the system. Available in 256 GB or 512 GB M.2 SSD configurations, the storage is both fast and ample, supporting smooth performance for gaming, productivity, and media applications. The integration of Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 ensures robust wireless connectivity, making it ideal for modern networks and peripherals. Running on Windows 11, the GenMakin Mini PC provides the latest in software compatibility, security features, and a user-friendly interface. Product 4. Product name beelink Mini PC. The beelink Mini PC is a compact and powerful computing solution, particularly appealing to users looking for a versatile device that combines performance with a small footprint. Among its offerings, the beelink Mini PC SER5 Max is equipped with an AMD Ryzen7 5800H processor, which provides robust processing capabilities for multitasking, gaming, and content creation. With configurations that include DDR4 RAM options of 16 GB or 32 GB and storage options like 500 GB NVMe SSD or 1 TB SSD, users can expect fast performance and ample storage for applications, games, and multimedia files. The device supports Wi-Fi 6, ensuring a stable and high-speed internet connection, which is essential for online gaming and streaming. The beelink Mini PC also boasts 4K output capabilities through its Type-C port, allowing users to connect to high-resolution displays for an enhanced visual experience, whether for gaming, graphic design, or media consumption. Product 5. Product name Asamagician Gaming PC. The Asamagician Gaming PC is a compact yet powerful mini desktop computer designed for gamers and productivity enthusiasts alike. Powered by the AMD Ryzen7 5700U processor, it boasts impressive clock speeds of up to 4.3 GHz, ensuring smooth performance for demanding applications and gaming experiences. With 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, the Asamagician is equipped to handle multitasking with ease, allowing users to run multiple programs simultaneously without lag. The inclusion of a 512GB NVMe SSD provides ample storage space for games, applications, and files, along with significantly faster load times compared to traditional hard drives. Product 6. Product name Asamagician Gaming PC. The Asamagician Gaming PC is a compact yet powerful mini desktop computer designed for gamers and productivity enthusiasts alike. Powered by the AMD Ryzen7 5700U processor, it boasts impressive clock speeds of up to 4.3 GHz, ensuring smooth performance for demanding applications and gaming experiences. With 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, the Asamagician is equipped to handle multitasking with ease, allowing users to run multiple programs simultaneously without lag. The inclusion of a 512GB NVMe SSD provides ample storage space for games, applications, and files, along with significantly faster load times compared to traditional hard drives.